the AriaRo name title for this mega event was coined by our own first batch student after a long fight. There were a lot of names coined by our student, and this name was accepted by majority of the people. When I asked what is the meaning of this AriaRo, they said, sir, it's simple, harmonizing with technology.
Goal of robotic is to design machines that can help and assist the human being, or they can mimic the human being actually. But again, as discussed in different forums, like advancement of technology, we have to be careful. Like it should not be like one day like robots take over the whole world actually, and we are less intelligent than robots or intelligent devices that we are developing.